For this problem, we have to figure out how many pieces of fruit Timothy bought. We know that he bought 2 oranges, 2 kiwis, and a papaya. We can do 2 oranges plus 2 kiwis plus 1 papaya to get 5, so that means he bought 5 fruits total. For this problem, we have to find how many pieces of fruit Lisa bought in total. We know that Lisa bought 2 pieces of each type of fruit that are on sale. Looking at the information above, we see that there are 7 types of fruits. So we can do 7 types times 2 pieces of each type to get 14. So she bought 14 fruits in total. For this problem, we have to find how many fruits cost less than $1. So we can look at the fruits below and see which ones cost less than $1. Oranges cost less than $1, so do bananas, kiwis, and peaches. So we can count the number of fruits we just circled, which is 4. So 4 is our answer. For this problem, we have to find 2 different fruits Tina can buy for under $1. To solve this problem, we can find which 2 fruits cost the least. In this case, it would be a banana and a kiwi. We can add up the cost of these fruits to make sure it's under $1. So we can do 35 cents plus 55 cents, and we get 90 cents, which is less than $1. So our answer to this problem is a banana and a kiwi. For this problem, we have to figure out which 2 pieces of fruit Anita could have bought that would have cost her $1.30. Since the 2 pieces of fruit add up to $1.30, that means any fruit that costs more than $1.30 can be eliminated. So we can eliminate this fruit, and this fruit. That leaves us with 4 fruits left. We can continue to solve this problem by seeing if any of the fruits paired with an orange adds up to $1.30. And we see that when an orange is paired with a kiwi, their prices adds up to $1.30. We also see that when a banana is paired with a peach, their prices also add up to $1.30. So the answer to this problem is an orange and a kiwi or a banana and a peach. For this problem, we have to find the largest number of different fruits that we can buy with a $5 bill. To solve this problem, we can start by adding up the fruits that cost the least amount of money. In this case, we would start with a banana, and then we would add a kiwi, and then an orange, and then a peach, and then an avocado. It will get a total of $4.25. If we continue adding fruits to the 5 fruits we have here, our total would be over $5. That's because our next least expensive fruit is a pineapple, and a pineapple costs $3.25. If we add $3.25 to $4.25, then we get $7.50, which is more than $5. So we can only have 5 fruits. So the answer to this problem is 5 different fruits. For this problem, we have to figure out who picked what fruit using the clues given above. We know that Tim likes the one that costs about $1, and out of these 4 fruits, the one that costs the closest to $1 is a peach, so that means Tim picked a peach. We also know that Dad loves fruits that are juicy, and out of the 3 remaining fruits, oranges are the only ones that are juicy, so that means Dad likes oranges. We also know that Mom did not get the cheapest fruit, and out of these 4 fruits, bananas are the cheapest fruit, so Mom did not get a banana, which leaves us with a papaya, so that means Mom got a papaya. And finally, that leaves us with 1 fruit left, so that means Sarah got a banana. So this would be our answer. For this problem, we want to find the largest number of fruits that we can buy with a $5 bill. We want to buy the cheapest fruit so we can buy the most amount of that fruit. In this case, the cheapest fruit is a banana. So we can divide $5 by 35 cents. And we get 14 was the remainder of 10. And since we can only buy a whole number of fruits, that means we can buy 14 bananas. So the answer to this problem would be 14 fruits. For this problem, we have to figure out how much Jeremy will spend on peaches for his lunch this week. We know that Jeremy wishes to buy 1 peach for each day that he will take his lunch to work. We also know that he will work 5 days, but on one day his sister will be taking him to a restaurant for lunch. We also know that his local grocer sells peaches for 95 cents each. Since Jeremy is buying a peach on each of the 5 days he works, except for the day his sister is taking him to a restaurant for lunch, we can do 5 minus 1 to get the number of peaches he buys. So in this case, that would be 4. And we can do 95 cents times 4 to get the total amount of money he spends on peaches. In this case, that would be $3.80. So the answer to this problem is $3.80. For this problem, we have to find out how much cheaper it is to buy a bag of tomatoes as compared to buying individual tomatoes. We know that individual tomatoes cost 95 cents each, and that Maria needs to buy 8 tomatoes. We can do 8 times 95 cents to get how much it costs to buy the tomatoes individually. So that will cost $7.60. We can subtract the cost of a bag of tomatoes from $7.60 to find out how much cheaper it is to buy a bag of tomatoes as compared to buying individual tomatoes. So that would be $7.60 minus $5.95, and that will give us an answer of $1.65. So this is our answer. For this problem, we have to find how much these vegetables will cost. We know that Rhea is buying a pound of carrot, a pound of broccoli, a pound of green beans, an onion, and 4 tomatoes to make a large vegetable soup. To solve this problem, we can simply find the sum of how much the vegetables cost. A pound of carrots costs 66 cents. A pound of broccoli costs $1.16. A pound of green beans costs $1.68. An onion costs 39 cents. And the 4 tomatoes cost 95 cents each. Adding this all up, we get $7.69, which is our answer. For this problem, we have to find out how much each of these ingredients will cost. We know that Ian is making a small batch of vegetable soup. He plans to use half a pound of each of the following: carrots, broccoli, and green beans. We also know that he will use 2 tomatoes and a whole onion. We can get the answer by finding the sum of the cost of the ingredients. So that would be 66 cents divided by 2, since we're only buying half a pound, plus $1.16 divided by 2 plus $1.68 divided by 2 plus the cost of a whole onion, which is 39 cents, plus the cost of 2 tomatoes, which are 95 cents each. So the sum of this would be $4.04, which is our answer. For this problem, we have to figure out how much profit Sienna will make from selling these apple juice. We know that from the student store, Sienna bought 6 packs of apple juice for $3.20 per pack. We also know that she will sell each juice box for 75 cents each. We can solve this problem by finding the cost of the apple juice and subtracting that from the amount of money she received from selling the apple juice. We know that she bought 6 packs of apple juice for $3.20 per pack. So to find her cost, we can do 6 times $3.20, and we get $19.20. So it cost her $19.20 to buy the apple juice. We can find the amount of money Sienna received from selling the apple juice by finding the number of boxes of apple juice she sold and multiplying that by 75 cents each. We know that she bought 6 packs of apple juice and that there are 8 boxes in each pack. So to find the number of boxes she bought, we can do 6 times 8. And we get that she has 48 boxes. And now we can multiply 48 by $0.75 to find how much money she got from selling the apple juice. And we get an answer of $36. Now we can subtract the amount of money she received by her cost to get our profit. She received $36, so we do 36 minus $19.20, and we get $16.80. So that means she made a profit of $16.80. For this problem, we have to figure out which is a better buy, the 1 gallon juice or the 96 fluid ounce juice. To solve this problem, we can compare the juices for every fluid ounce. We know that the 1 gallon juice costs $5.12. And to find how much it costs per fluid ounce, we can divide it by 128 fluid ounces, since 1 gallon is equal to 128 fluid ounces. And we get that this costs $0.04 per fluid ounce. Now, let's find the cost per fluid ounce of the 96 fluid ounce juice. We know that the 96 fluid ounce juice costs $4.32. And we can divide this by 96, and we get 0.045. So that means it costs $0.045 per fluid ounce, and that is more than 0.04. So that means the 1 gallon bottle is a better buy because it is slightly cheaper per fluid ounce. For this problem, we have to figure out how much money the math club will donate to the local charity, assuming they sell 90% of the donuts. We know that they bought 10 dozen donuts at a discounted price of $5.50 per dozen. We also know that they plan to sell each donut after school for $1.50 a piece. We can solve this problem by subtracting the cost, which is how much it costs to buy the donuts, from the revenue, which is how much money the club receives from selling the donuts. Since the club bought 10 dozen donuts at a discounted price of $5.50 per dozen, we can do 10 dozen times $5.55 per dozen to get a total of $55.50. So the club spent $55.50 on donuts. We can find the revenue by first finding the number of donuts they sold. We know that they bought 10 dozen donuts, so that means the number of donuts they bought is 10 times 12. But they only sold 90% of the donuts, so we have to multiply this by 0.9. So solving this, we get 108. So that means they sold 108 donuts. Since each donut costs $1.50, we can do 108 times $1.50 to get how much money they got in revenue. And they got $162. Now we have to subtract the cost from the revenue. So we do 162 minus $55.50. And we get $106.50. So this is our answer. For this problem, we have to find the cost of a package including tax. We know that the store offers a 50% discount on a package of steak that is normally priced at $29. We also know that the sales tax is 7.25%. We can solve this problem by first finding the price of the steak, not including tax. Since the store offers a 50% discount, the price of the steak is just 50% of its normal price. So we can do 0.5 times 29, and we get $14.50. So that's the price of the steak. Next, we have to add on the sales tax. The sales tax is 7.25%. In order to convert a percent to a decimal, we have to divide it by 100. So we do 7.25 divided by 100, and we get 0.0725. So we do 0.0725 times $14.50 in order to get our sales tax, which is $1.05. And then we add our sales tax to the price in order to get our price with the tax. In this case, it is $15.55. And this is our answer. For this problem, we have to find the full price of the microwave if we end up paying the same amount after each discount. The discounts are $18 off the purchase or a discount of 15%. We can draw a model to help us solve this problem. So let's have these two bars represent the price of the microwave. We know that 15% off is equal to an $18 discount. So we can write the equation that 15% of the price of the microwave is equal to $18. If we divide both sides of this equation by 15, we get that 1% of the price is equal to $1.20. If we multiply both sides by 100, we get that 100%, which is the full price, is equal to $120. So $120 is the answer. For this problem, we have to find the discount rate in percent last week. We know that Ms. Levon bought a package of paper towels on sale for $5.98. We also know that this week, the same package of paper towels is no longer on sale, and it is priced at $7.95. We can use the discount rate formula to help us solve this problem. The formula is the discount rate is equal to the original price minus the discounted price divided by the original price. We also have to multiply this by 100% because we have to answer in a percent. We can plug numbers into our equation that we have here, since we know the values of the original and discounted price. The original price is $7.95, while the discounted price is $5.98. So we can just plug all these values in, and then we can continue simplifying to get our answer. So $7.95 minus $5.98 gives us $1.97. And we divide this by $7.95. And we get an answer of 24.78%.